Hi guys, today we're going to be making bread rolls. But before I go on, I want to say a big thank you to the True Maya again for the likes, the comments, the subs. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, please go and watch our previous video. My name is Julie and this is the Pastry Kitchen. For our ingredients, we have an egg, butter, caster sugar, some yeast, milk, flour, sesame seeds, and an empty basin where we're going to be kneading in the flour. First, I'm going to add in the yeast into the milk, and always make sure that your milk is warm every time you're working with yeast. Then secondly, into the empty basin, I'm going to put in the flour, caster sugar, butter and egg, mix them in together and add in the milk slowly by slowly as I knead it. So our dough is ready and we're going to leave it for around 30 to 40 minutes for it to proof. Guys, our dough has proofed. Now we are going to roll it and shape it. Now we are going to let the bread rolls sit for 10 minutes to allow them to cook again. Guys, our bread rolls have already proofed. Now we are going to egg wash them with egg whites, then sprinkle some sesame seeds and put them in the oven. The reason as to why I'm going to egg wash them is so that they can have a brown top layer. to bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So let's toss them into the oven. Our bread rolls are ready. Now I'm just going to apply some butter on the top part just to make it soft and shiny. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click on the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, bye!